Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I want to show you a very simple makeup look. This is actually my updated everyday makeup look, something that I've been wearing literally every single day. It's short. Well, this video is not going to be short because I talk a lot, but usually this should not take you more than 10 minutes. It's short, it's natural looking, it's super beautifying, very youthful, and it's appropriate really for everyone. You need just a few products to create this. And before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with By Terry, and I'm going to talk about their newest product, which is the Hyaluronic Hydra Lip Balm. This is something that I will apply a little bit later, but I wanted to tell you guys that right now you have 20% off on byterry.com with the code that I'll put on the screen. So make sure you take advantage of that while the code is available. This new lip balm, it's so incredibly hydrating. It's part again of their hyaluronic family, which means it's packed with hyaluronic acid. It will plump your lips. It will give you a beautiful shine of the lips. But we're going to talk about the application and the benefits in just a tiny little bit. Let me show you how I've done this very simple look. I have prepped my skin with my usual skincare. Let me know if you guys want to see an updated skincare routine for morning and night. It has been changing quite a lot because I wanted to try a few new products that are on the market. NARS Tinted Moisturizer has been my go-to product for the past, like, I don't know, 6 weeks. I love this. When you use this product, I would say make sure you are applying less skincare than usual. As you can see, I have a big pimple right here that I've tried to squeeze yesterday. It's pretty dark when I apply this at first, but then when I spread it, it's actually really nice. This is just giving you a tint. Obviously, you could apply it with your fingers, but I prefer a brush. I would always prefer a brush. Look at this beautiful finish. Obviously, it didn't cover much. I mean, it's just a tinted moisturizer. All I want is to have the even skin tone. And then I'm going to take care of this right now. From my experience, this is pretty hard to cover because it's dark. It has the scab. Is that how you call it? Scab. But the product that would really help to cover it would be this Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. You could try the old version, the one that's in a pot, or this new version, which is amazing. I've tried this under the eyes, as they were saying that this can be used under the eyes, and for me it's just too dry. Trying 3W. Yeah. And then with the finger, I just go over it. Normally, I do not have pimples that are this size, but to be honest with you, I've really squeezed this. I did not leave it alone, so I guess that's why it got so big. This product does an amazing job on covering this. Concealer does a major difference because I do have some dark circles in here, and also the hollowness. The hollow under the eyes, it's what really annoys me the most. Okay, now I take a Sephora 57 brush and I blend it. What's left on the brush, I always take it on the brow bone. I always set my makeup with powder, especially under the eyes. I honestly love this beautiful sheen that the tinted moisturizer gave me. However, if I don't set at least my concealer, I know it will crease. Because I do have wrinkles, there's movement in there. So I'm going to be using the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder. This is an amazing powder to use all over your face, not just under the eyes. However, I find that personally, for myself, it's the most invisible powder, especially for the under eyes. So if you have dry uh, skin around your eyes, if you have mature skin, or if you have a lot of wrinkles and you don't want to emphasize that with powders that do contain talc, then try the Hyaluronic Hydra powder because it has silica, which is much more forgiving to the wrinkles. Let's take a little bit. I'm gonna apply it on the eyelids as well, because honestly with this product I'm really not afraid that's going to dry out the skin. Just what's left, I'm applying it on the forehead. I know I will be shining in there. And a small touch around the nose. And then with a little sponge, I will take separately some powder and apply it on top of this big monster that I have. I find that it just lasts much longer. Whatever product you put on top of a pimple or imperfection or whatever it is, if you apply that powder with a puff, with a powder puff or a sponge, just something that will come and seal the product. Rare Beauty liquid blush in the color Love. Obsessed. I know I said I won't be using this word, but I cannot find a better description of how I feel for this product. I love it. The longevity, the texture, the way it stays on my skin, it's amazing, amazing. I didn't expect to love it as much as I do. I always take a blush with the sponge. So I have a beauty blender right here. I squeezed it to be a little smaller. If you have oily skin, this is amazing because it lasts. Finally, a product, you know, that will really last on oily skin. It will not dissolve, it stays on all day long. Like, it's fantastic. So I apply it more like in this shape. I could apply my blush in different shapes, just the way I feel that day. But when I apply like this, I feel like it's just more youthful. And I usually do this type of application when I don't have much going on my face. Like I don't have a full face of makeup. Okay, so sometimes I can go overboard with my blush. That's when I take, you know, the brush that I've applied the tinted moisturizer with, just to make sure I sort of blend the edges. Now you tell me if this blush, it's not perfection. Like, oh my god, so beautiful, right? Another product that I've been loving from Rare Beauty would be their gel, their eyebrow gel. I don't like the other side of this product. There's a pencil in there. I don't like it. But the gel is so nice because also gives you color and it holds. It really holds the eyebrows in place. I would normally not use anything for the eyelids, but lately I've only been using this pencil, which is the classic brown pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a very beautiful, very powdery pencil that I've applied at the base of my lashes. I get it super close to the lashes. I kind of dot it, like I don't do it from one movement. If you can, it's amazing. And I extend it a bit. And then just using my finger, I diffuse this color. Just to make it look softer. And then I apply it again. super close just to be more intense right at the base. This way it kind of looks like you have more lashes than you do when you're actually applying mascara, because I will apply mascara. I'll use this Lancome. So you see, when you apply mascara and I look straight, it's like a little bit of shadow in there, but it's not much. Definitely I feel it frames the eyes and they just look more beautiful, more open. This literally takes me like, what, 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna apply the Hyaluronic Hydra Balm from By Terry in the color Secret Kiss. Now, you guys, what you should know about this product is that it's packed with hyaluronic acid. So if you like your lips to be plump but without having that heavy feeling on your lips, you will love this. Also, the way it's created, it's giving you the most beautiful shine, like a wet shine. I should stop talking, just applying it. Hey, look at this. No matter how many layers you apply, it will never feel heavy. Like seriously, how can you not love this? It's so shiny and so hydrating, sexy, and plumping. This comes in different colors, and in my opinion, this one in particular is if you want just a pinch more tint. There are others, like for example the Sexy Nude. You guys, the Sexy Nude is like a beautiful beigey nude. I'm actually gonna put a video in here with the application. I did it on IG. It's so beautiful, that one as well, especially if you love beigey tones. Like I said, this has just a pinch more color and I absolutely love it. Don't forget that you have 20% off at byterry.com until July 4th with my code that I'm going to put right here and also in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. All the products that I've mentioned are in the description down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.